1:35 AM in Batumi, and Georgia have just shocked Portugal. It's fucking chaos. The streets are absolutely gridlocked everywhere. People beeping their horns, sitting on the roof of the cars. Now we're searching for beer. We have beer. Debbie had brushed her teeth and got ready for bed, and I've made her come back out. We're currently outside Orby City Block C, literally just outside the apartment block we're staying in. The cars aren't moving anywhere. I don't think anyone's moved since we came out about 10 minutes ago. We're going to go for a walk down the street now and just see what's going on. I suspect it's more of the same. Just for context, if you can hear chanting in the background, Georgians don't call their country Georgia, they call it Sakatuelo. And that's what you'll hear people shouting in a minute. Just a bit further down the road, we got the Courtyard by Marriott behind me, known for its strange fin shape. We're in the centre of Batumi now. We're going to walk along this bridge and have a look at more of the chaos. Down this overpass that cuts through the centre of Batumi, we head towards the stadium, the Dinamo Batumi Stadium, but we actually watched the game in the car park. They've got a fan zone set up. It was very loud and very fun, a lot more so than watching England at the minute. If you can still hear me over the chaos, you'll notice that everything is very artificial in this part of Batumi, and they do call it Las Vegas of the Caucasus. There is casinos here and there's lots of bright lights. We've got some friends behind us. I don't think there's a lot of chance of anyone sleeping tonight, do you? Onto another overpass here, towards the arch, and if you flick through the channel in the shorts, reel section, whatever you want to call it, you'll see I rushed some out from my phone as we walk back from the stadium. Overpass. On my side over there is the Dinamo Batumi Arena, or the Ajarabet Arena. It's actually so late they've turned all the lights off. Normally it's lit up in the colours of Georgia in the white and red. It looks like a lot of people have got the same idea to stand up on it. We're going to make our way down and get back down to the floor. It's just an endless wall of noise and traffic everywhere. I've said this before, but if you can still hear me on a serious level, there are lots of homeless cats and dogs here in Batumi. I feel very sorry for them right now. Poor little things have got to deal with this, probably until breakfast time. Okay, we're basically going to turn around and go back the way we came now. There really isn't a purpose of this video, it's just to show you the absolute carnage on the streets right now. away from the mob. You have absolutely no idea what's going on. Georgia have never qualified for an international tournament before, and tonight they've beaten Portugal and Cristiano Ronaldo, and they've qualified for the knockout rounds. Hence this going on behind me. In case you're wondering, there is police around. And they don't seem to give a shit about the people doing donuts or car surfing, so I think all rules are out the window tonight. It actually seems to have quietened down a bit down here. I say quietened down. What's the time, Febby? Like 3 or something maybe? Okay, as we approach Orby City again, not Holby City for the British viewers, Orby City. I'd like to know how far these people have gone in the last hour, because they might as well just turn their engines off and start camping for the night. As I reach the 39th floor of Orby City, and you can still hear the horns blaring around me, we're going to try and get some sleep now. Whether or not that's going to happen, I don't know. But if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel adventures, and I'll see you in the next one.